We gaze into the night sky and see billions of stars. Many of those stars have planets, and many of those planets, we now know, lie in the habitable zone, not too hot, not too cold, where life could flourish. The ingredients for life, carbon, water, energy, are everywhere in the cosmos. So here's the big question. If life is so common, where is everybody? This question is known as the Fermi Paradox, and it's one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in science. Let's dive deep into this cosmic riddle, the theories, the possibilities, and the unsettling answers that may lie just beyond our reach. The origins of the paradox. The paradox is named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who, during a lunchtime conversation in 1950, reportedly asked, "But where is everybody?" At the time, radio and nuclear technologies were advancing quickly. If intelligent civilizations existed, and if they were even slightly ahead of us, they should have spread across the galaxy, or at least left behind signs. The paradox is this. The Milky Way is over 13 billion years old. There are more than 100 billion stars, many older than our Sun. With modest technology, a civilization could colonize the galaxy in just a few million years. But we see no evidence, no alien probes, no radio signals, no Dyson spheres, nothing. It's eerily quiet out there. Possibility number 1, where early one explanation is that we're among the first intelligent civilizations. Perhaps life is common, but intelligence is rare, or takes a very long time to evolve. If that's true, then we're not late to the party. We're setting the table. We might be among the first sparks of cosmic consciousness. But this raises new questions. Why now? Why us? Is there something special or dangerous about reaching this stage of evolution? Possibility number 2, they're too far away. The universe is vast, and expansion makes it even bigger. Perhaps alien civilizations are too far to detect. Their signals might not have reached us yet, or they're using technologies beyond our comprehension. Maybe we're like ants, unaware of the freeway nearby, simply not listening the right way. Or maybe signals degrade, or civilizations are speaking in non-electromagnetic ways, through neutrinos, quantum entanglement, or something entirely unknown. We could be surrounded by messages and not even know how to look. Possibility number 3, they don't want to talk. This is known as the zoo hypothesis. It suggests that advanced civilizations know we're here, but are deliberately avoiding contact. They may be observing us silently like scientists studying wildlife. They might believe in non-interference or think we're not ready. Imagine Earth as a galactic preserve, quarantined for its own safety, or theirs. Alternatively, contact may be forbidden by a universal law or culture we don't understand. If this is true, the silence is intentional. Possibility number 4, they destroy themselves. This is perhaps the most chilling answer. Maybe civilizations do emerge, but don't last. Advanced technology comes with existential risk. Nuclear weapons, climate collapse, AI, pandemics, these are hurdles we're already facing. What if the development of powerful tech is almost always followed by self-destruction? This theory suggests a great filter, a stage in evolution that most civilizations don't pass. We might be approaching it, or maybe we already passed it, and that's why we're still here. Either way, the silence could be the echo of extinction. Possibility number 5, they're already here. Some theorists suggest that aliens have visited Earth, or are still here, but remain hidden. They may operate at microscopic scales, hide in higher dimensions, or disguise themselves within nature. Ancient astronaut theories, UFO sightings, and mysterious artifacts have fueled speculation, but no definitive proof exists. Still, the possibility that aliens walk among us, unnoticed or undetectable, is both thrilling and terrifying. If true, it changes everything. Possibility number 6, we're in a simulation. What if we're not in the real universe at all? The simulation hypothesis suggests that we live in a virtual reality, perhaps created by an advanced intelligence. In this framework, the universe is designed, and the absence of aliens might be a programmed limit to reduce complexity or preserve narrative. Maybe we're the focus of this simulation, or maybe we're just a subroutine, a side project in a much larger simulation. Either way, the silence may not be natural, but intentional design. The Drake equation. To estimate the number of intelligent civilizations, astronomer Frank Drake created the Drake equation in 1961. It includes factors like the number of stars formed per year, the fraction with planets, the number of habitable worlds, the likelihood of life, intelligence, and communication. The lifespan of civilizations. Depending on your assumptions, the equation gives numbers ranging from 0 to millions. But here's the catch. Many of these factors are still unknown. The Drake equation is less a calculation and more a framework for wonder. Final thought. The Fermi Paradox remains unresolved. But maybe that's the point. Maybe the silence isn't a warning, but an invitation to listen harder, to search further, to reflect more deeply on what it means to be intelligent, alive, and alone in the cosmos. Whether we're the first, the last, or somewhere in between, our responsibility is the same: to explore, to survive, to become the kind of civilization that others would be glad to find. Here on Infinity Beyond, we'll keep asking, not just where is everybody, but who are we becoming?